Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Zoho Books, ZipBooks and Billy and which accounting software is best for your business in 2025. So let's get right into it. I'll start with Billy as Billy is clean, minimalist and designed for freelancers and small teams. It basically focuses on your core essentials like beautiful invoicing, expense tracking and reports. It supports payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, but is limited in third-party tools. Now, if I talk about pricing, as you can see, Billy is basically now part of Sunrise by Lenido. So it offers a free plan and paid plans. The paid plans starts at around $19 per month, but that totally depends on the month you're applying on. Now, I'll compare Zilly with ZipBooks. So ZipBooks here. So ZipBooks has a superior simple UI with drag and drop elements. It is perfect for beginners. Now it covers basics like invoicing, accounting, and smart tagging. It has a built-in business health score. Now ZipBooks supports basic integration, but it is limited compared to Zoho, as I will discuss Zoho in later on at the end of this video. So if I talk about the pricing of ZipBooks, the free version is the basic version is basically free, and the plan usually starts, as you can see over here, it starts at around $15 per month, and it can go around $35 per month, and you can see the features on the website, which one suits to you the best. Now, lastly, we'll discuss Zoho Books. Zoho Books is more advanced, but the layout is organized and customizable. It is packed, meaning invoicing, inventory, time tracking, banking, and project billing, everything works. So, with 40 plus Zoho apps, PayPal, Stripe, and CRM, it integrates everything and it is great for growing businesses. Now, if I talk about pricing over here, so Zoho Books is free for small businesses, as you can see over here, and it can go up to $30 per month, which is billed annually, and it is a premium version. So you can see the free, standard, professional, and premium version on the screen, and you can compare the features and choose which one is best for you. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in deciding between Zoho Books, ZipBooks, and Billy. Thank you so much for watching.